Good morning, guys. It is like 6:50 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to school. It's Friday and Playlist Live is today, so unfortunately I have to go to school because I have like way too many absences, but I'm gonna go to school and then go straight from school to Playlist. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. Oh my gosh, I'm still trying to get the hang of this camera, but I'm wearing this shirt from my best friend's closet, jeans from PacSun. These are the same jeans I always wear, and then Steve Madden shoes. So like my school stuff I have to take. Then I have my suitcase, my like backpack that I'm bringing, and then I have all my camera stuff outside. And yeah, that's really all. So this is the start of the vlogs for the weekend, and yeah.
Oh, this is weird. Oh my god, that was so close. And
wait, we just got out of school. Don't shut them in front of it.
I need a paper airplane. I'm sorry.
But we got out of school. We're waiting for my mom. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're getting 4 for 1. How do I stop this? I'm not used to the G7X professional quality camera yet. Okay, open your bags.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
They're eating though.
I'm sorry.
Eating.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
what it says.
Do more of what makes you happy.
What makes you happy, everybody?
Thanks, Blake.
First, when I open the bag,
Oh.
I don't know. Kinder Joy egg.
These are my favorite candy.
No, I think we spoke about this. Isn't there like a toy inside?
Yes, it used to be banned in the US.
And then I see a hand sanitizer because there are some grimy people. And then a pack of gum.
Wonderful.
You want to always have fresh breath if you run into your favorite YouTuber.
Yes.
A notepad
to write down video ideas.
Oh,
yes.
right.
Some chapstick to say.
Oh, wonderful.
Chapstick, lollipops. This chapstick.
Okay.
And all the candy and
You guys can mix and match if you like want to trade.
Mark III.
Good one.
Hey guys, today I'm a vlogger and I'm just editing my video. We're on our way to, how do you hold this? Like this?
Yeah.
We're on our way to Playlist and we're very excited. And we're gonna meet everybody. You wanna see this meme? Ready? Did you see that? It's Esteban.
Ricardo Montoya.
So we're on our way. Yeah, I know, it's funny.
What?
Are you doing 3 separate vlogs or just one?
Probably 3 separate. Definitely 3 separate.
Yes,
Wait,
oh my god, I just showed them my thumbs. They're gonna like zoom in and
Wait, come here.
what if your thumbs are the thumbnail?
I lost all of my footage that I filmed of what's on my iPhone.
I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you.
Oh, I didn't realize it was on me.
But they don't know the truth. How does this carpet work? This carpet doesn't work. We're having some issues.
This carpet doesn't work? I don't think there's anything that I can do to work. Okay, the biggest struggle right now is finding our hotel room.
Is David Dobrik here yet?
I'm not sure, Blake.
I'll call him up. Let me go. Yeah, speed dial number 1.
Oh my god, I feel bad.
Alyssa. Okay, we're gonna do outfit of the day. We're getting ready to go down to get our registration passes and badges and things. My shirt is from Brandy Melville. Shorts are from PacSun, and shoes are Steve Madden. Alyssa?
My shirt is from PacSun. My shorts are from Kohl's.
Oh.
And Steve Madden's.
Okay, Blake?
My shirt's from,
Oh.
I think from,
Oh gosh.
I don't know. Okay, my shirt's from like, it's just a V-neck, whatever. These are from Denny's. You probably don't know what that is. It's fine. You can probably find them at like,
Okay.
I don't know.
Next, shoes. We love those.
See, I'm putting on Steve Madden.
God.
And my socks are Steve Madden.
Okay, perfect.
And
We're
my
gonna go
shirt
down.
is from
We're going to, I don't know how to work this. Oh my gosh, please stop. We're going to register and get our badges and stuff. And Kyle, say hi. Hi vlog. We met up with Kyle, but you know Kyle.
Hi vlog. We saw Emma Chamberlain on her balcony.
Okay, that's enough. And
I almost killed myself. My mom saw this car on the side of the road earlier.
that's all that's up. Oh, I already met one of my friends, Brianna. And yeah, fun.
They were trying to make a left if possible.
Oh my gosh. Hello. 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 Blake was fed up with the
whole
wine. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Everybody please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Emma Chamberlain. That's me.
Oh.
Hey guys, walk with me into playlist. Come on.
Come on.
So I'm very excited. I just checked in. Here's my little creator tag, and I got a free lemonade. These are like $1,200 in the stores. Tastes so good. Room temperature lemonade.
Oh.
Nobody cares about Mario.
Look, I can touch the screen and focus it. Isn't that so amazing? No, oh, I don't like these wristbands, but they're Christmas colors. But now we're just waiting to get, Kyle and Alyssa are getting us pizza because we didn't want to, and they did us for us.
Yeah, shows us again. Wait, was that the other vlog?
No, that was, no, it was the other vlog.
Whoops, never mind. You probably don't know about that. We're just waiting. What if Mel comes through the lobby?
Oh, he already got it. So, we are walking down to the lobby to get, Blake wants Starbucks.
I want Starbucks.
It's 9:30 and she wants Starbucks.
I'm gonna fall asleep. I need caffeine.
But we're going to
You wanna know my order? Large, a venti. Oh my god, not large. Venti caramel macchiato with extra caramel and extra milk. That's my order.
So we're going down to the lobby to get Starbucks, and then also there's 2 people that we're gonna meet up with and say hey. And I don't know how to work this G7X. Somebody please help. Please help. Thanks. Hi, literally so sweet. We've been waiting to meet for so long.
I'm like freaking out. Like,
Lysandra, say hi. We're just waiting in the lobby. Sorry, we're trying to meet Mel, but I don't know where she is, so we'll just wait.
Let's just tweet her and block her.
Yeah, I can sneeze. What's your Starbucks order? Oh my god, listen to her how extra her sneeze is. Go.
Oh, I can't sneeze now. You scared me.
Wait, what's your Starbucks order?
Okay, I'm gonna get this time I usually get a venti, but I'm gonna get a grande caramel macchiato iced with extra caramel and extra milk.
Nice. Starbucks order, go.
an iced coffee.
Starbucks order.
An iced coffee with extra cream and extra sugar and caramel.
Okay.
I saw a girl.
Venti iced coffee with cream and sugar.
I'm sorry, she's in debate.
I didn't see her. We're gonna order some Starbucks and then drink in, but I don't like coffee, so.
Oh.
XOXO. Gossip Girl. Sarah, who are we with? Who? Mel? Mel has a whole line of fans, but.
Yeah, already? That's Mel's voice.
No way. Looky.
Is it on?
I don't, is that how you
I think it's
focus
on,
it like that? Okay, well I miss Mel and I miss her so much.
What's up? You missed me already?
Yeah. Well,
My teeth are kind of white in this lighting.
No, like really white. Like don't even look at me.
Stop!
We have matching rings, but mine's fake. Mine was $30.
Oh my god, wait, my fake tan. Look at, you can see where like it cuts off on my hand.
Looks good though.
Thanks. Loving tan.
Oh yeah. No. Hi guys, I'm with Sammy, and we've been friends on Twitter for like, I don't know, yeah, a bit. But we're collabing tomorrow, hopefully, if they're so exciting. We'll see. Okay. But you won't see this. I was gonna say tweet us through their but they won't see it. So. But yeah, go subscribe. I'll leave her channel down below. So we just finished talking with some of our YouTube friends. I just inserted a clip of it. They're super sweet, and I can't believe I finally got to meet them. So nice, and we've been talking on Twitter for years. So it's so nice to meet them. But we were walking back to our hotel room. What time is it?
It is
11:15. Okay, we're walking back to our hotel room. We're gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Unless Blake wants to vlog later, which she probably will. But thank you guys so much for watching day 1 of Playlist, and watch day 2 and 3. And I'm sunburned, and I didn't wear makeup today because I came straight from school. Subscribe, bye guys. Hello, we're waiting for creators to come out.
I know what I'm talking about, but Emma just told me all this about 5 seconds ago, so that's how I know.
Yeah, well, we'll see her tomorrow. I literally left that party because I had to poop and I didn't want to poop.
Will you just say hi to my vlog?
Hi, I have to poop really bad. I'm gonna be honest, I really do, but whoa, my hair looks
It looks good. I like it. It looks really good. Vlog. Thanks. We say hi to my vlog.
What's up, vlog? Is it recording?
Yeah.
Sure is. Nice. G7X?
Yeah. I just got it on Wednesday.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Coloring's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, we're here in Orlando Beach, California. Shit. Florida.
Yep.
All right. Good night.
Thanks.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Wait, Corinna's literally the sweetest. She's been out for so long meeting fans.
Oh my god, I should FaceTime Nandi.
Oh my god, the sweetest ever.
FaceTime Nandi. Oh my god, I should FaceTime Sid. You think she'll kill me?
The sweetest ever. Oh.
Sid, you better pick up.
Oh my god. Okay, let's just hope it's Tana. Come on, come on. We need Tana.
I'll poop.
Wait, just say hi to my vlog.
Yes. What's up, vlog? Make sure you subscribe or else I will be pissed off. So pissed off. I don't know what I'll do. I won't do anything, but I'll just be pissed, and I hope that makes you feel shit.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Got this.
Okay.
What up,
okay, there it goes.
vlog? We out here. Just a little Ashley, just a little Amari.
Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up.
Twitter at David Dobrik.
Twitter David Dobrik. Follow all social media, link down below.
Don't
follow
forget to swipe up.
Follow all of my social medias.
Then go live.
Okay, perfect.
And then go live, and then without a doubt, that's it.
Let me go.
I love you guys so much. If you don't subscribe to my channel, I saw it. I saw you not subscribe to my channel.
Don't be disrespectful.
Yeah.
But most importantly, subscribe to her.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
all that
That's
matters.
true. That's true. If you're here listening to me, you're gonna do exactly as I say. You're gonna subscribe to her channel. Them too. Them too. Everyone.
Everyone, subscribe to everyone.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Have fun.
Tana, will you be my vlog?
Yes. Yo, if you're watching this, fucking subscribe to her channel. I'm going the fuck to bed because I'm exhausted, but I love you.
Thank you. I love you. Nice to meet you. I'll see you at TanaCon. I'll be there. You guys, we are on the other side of the barricade. We are actually Tony and Corinna are the sweetest people in the whole entire world. I love them so much. Really so sweet. I can start crying. 1:24 a.m. and we met everybody. Like, we don't need to go to playlist day 2 and 3.